The sun's rising on a $2 million luxury camper with heated floors and a tiny DIY van just a few kilometers away. Millionaires are buying rolling mansions with hidden garages, while thousands of people are building homes in old delivery vans. But luxury comes with hidden stress. A broken automated staircase can cost more than an entire normal van. Simplicity is power. Comfort matters, but eventually, humans adapt. More luxury doesn't always mean more happiness. Sometimes it just separates you from the adventure. A cheap van gives you the courage to explore. Real freedom isn't about marble floors. It's about escaping the systems that keep you trapped. The road treats everyone the same. No matter what you drive, the freedom is yours. Go find it. The sun rises on two worlds, a $2 million luxury camper and a tiny DIY van. One has heated floors, the other a sleeping bag and a power bank. Yet both travelers are smiling. Does wealth actually make life better, or is simplicity the smarter choice for real freedom? Camper van culture has exploded into a global obsession, from rolling mansions to plywood homes. Luxury looks unbeatable, but size brings stress. Big vans struggle where simple ones thrive. Comfort is great, but we adapt. Eventually, the marble stops feeling special and the excitement fades. Real freedom doesn't belong to luxury. The road treats everyone the same. The best moments are outside. Freedom belongs to those brave enough to live differently. Just get out there. The sun hasn't even come up yet. On a freezing mountain road, a man wakes up inside a $2 million luxury camper van. Heated floors, smart glass, a queen-sized bed softer than most hotels. He presses a button, and coffee starts brewing. Just a few kilometers away, another traveler wakes up in a van that cost less than that luxury camper's sink. No heated floors, just a sleeping bag. But here's the strange part. Both of them smile when they open their doors. Do expensive vans actually make life better? Luxury campers are rolling mansions. Hydraulic systems expand rooms outward with a single push of a button. Some even carry a supercar underneath the living room floor. A hidden garage slides out like a magic trick. Marble bathrooms, wine fridges, and 8K televisions. It's a five-star hotel that moves anywhere on Earth. But most normal vans are built from plywood and thick socks. They're simple, retired delivery vans. And yet, people love them. Because normal vans have something luxury campers lose: personality. Every scratch tells a story. Reality changes everything once you live in them. The bigger the camper, the harder life becomes. Narrow roads become terrifying. A luxury breakdown means importing custom parts. A normal van, you fix a leak with repair tape and a screwdriver. But when winter hits, luxury dominates. Advanced insulation and climate control turn the van into a perfect sanctuary. Studies show that after a certain point, more luxury stops increasing happiness. The giant TV eventually becomes normal. Meanwhile, simple van owners stay grateful for the tiny things: a hot coffee at sunrise, a parking spot by the sea. Luxury can separate you from the adventure. Normal vans force you to interact, adapt, and solve problems creatively. Today, vans have become status symbols. Influencers chase a fantasy, but they don't show the breakdowns or the stress. Many go deep into debt for luxury, but a cheap van gives you something more valuable: time and debt-free freedom. A cheap van gives you courage. Scratches don't matter. Dusty roads are no problem. You explore more because you worry less. The best moments rarely happen inside the camper. They happen outside, watching the northern lights in silence, meeting strangers. Freedom doesn't always belong to the most luxurious lives. It belongs to the people brave enough to live differently. At first glance, it looks completely unfair. On one side, a luxury camper van worth more than a mansion. Glossy paint, satellite internet, and heated floors. A bathroom bigger than most apartments, and a bedroom that slides out with a button. On the other side, an old van with faded paint, a tiny mattress, and curtains made from blankets. Most people assume they know which one wins, but then something strange happens. The guy in the $1 million camper starts complaining about stress, fuel costs, and repairs, while the guy in the old van is cooking noodles and watching the sunset like he owns the world. Maybe the most expensive camper isn't automatically the best. Maybe worth it means something else. The camper van world has become insane, but the true winner might surprise you. A luxury van owner steps onto a heated floor, while next to him, an old van owner smiles harder. Why? Because happiness on the road isn't automatic. Luxury campers are engineering marvels, moving apartments with rain showers and hidden garages. They offer ultimate comfort, but at a high cost of complexity. But DIY vans are personal. They're built with heart, piece by piece. Every scratch and sticker tells a story that no amount of money can buy. Complexity creates fear of loss. Simple vans offer the freedom to be fearless. Scratches don't matter when you're focused on the adventure itself. Meaning comes from how you live, not what you live inside. The best camper is simply the one that helps you live the life you actually want. Keep driving forward.